Your potential is limitless. Why settle for human IQ alone? Now you can supercharge it with AI. Welcome to the SuperAIQ Show. We explore the daily news, real trends, no hype, and practical hands-on AI education. Let's build the future together, one impossible dream at a time. Could you imagine the AI world without Demis Hassabis at the helm of Google DeepMind after all these years of dominance? Welcome to the SuperAIQ Show podcast and video, where we explore the latest daily tech news and perspective. Today is August 6, 2026, and this is episode number 257. We are covering the massive leadership shakeup at DeepMind, Jeff Dean's new venture, and Cloudflare's surprising operating system.
Demis Hassabis stepping down as CEO of DeepMind is truly the end of an era for the entire AI research community.
He has been the face of Google's AI efforts for over a decade, leading breakthroughs like AlphaGo and AlphaFold recently.
It makes me wonder if this departure signals a shift in Google's strategy towards more commercialization rather than pure research.
DeepMind has always been the academic heart of Google, so seeing the founder leave suggests a major internal reorganization is happening.
I wonder who is going to step into those massive shoes to lead such a high-profile and specialized research organization.
Reports suggest that a committee of senior vice presidents might take over the duties while they search for a permanent successor.
This brings us to Jeff Dean, who is also making waves by launching his own independent AI startup after leaving Google.
Jeff Dean is a legend in the engineering world, and seeing him go independent is a huge win for the ecosystem.
His new startup is reportedly focusing on next-generation neural architectures that move beyond the transformer models we use currently today.
It is fascinating to see these titans of the first AI wave starting fresh to solve the efficiency problems of scale.
If you want to keep up with these shifts, join our free Atomic AI Academy community on School to learn more.
Dean's reputation alone will likely attract billions in venture capital before they even have a finalized product in their hands.
The talent migration from big tech to startups seems to be accelerating as the race for AGI becomes more competitive.
Transitioning to Cloudflare, they just announced their own operating system designed specifically for edge computing and high-security server environments.
Cloudflare OS aims to replace traditional Linux distributions by stripping out everything that isn't essential for running modern cloud workloads.
They are calling it a serverless operating system, which sounds like a paradox but focuses on instant boot times and security.
By controlling the OS, Cloudflare can optimize the hardware-software stack to a degree that was previously impossible for most companies.
This move puts them in direct competition with Red Hat and other enterprise Linux providers for the future of the cloud.
I think the security implications are the most interesting part because it reduces the attack surface for distributed web applications.
It seems like every major tech player is trying to build a vertically integrated stack to maximize their performance and margins.
Back to DeepMind, do you think Hassabis will follow Dean's lead and start his own new venture in the future?
It is highly likely that someone with his vision won't stay retired for long and will eventually return to tech.
The brain drain at Google is becoming a serious concern for investors who worry about the company losing its competitive edge.
Google still has massive resources, but losing the visionary leaders who built the foundation is definitely a significant blow to morale.
Meanwhile, Cloudflare's stock is up on the news of the OS, showing that the market values these infrastructure-level innovations right now.
Developers are already praising the early beta for its simplicity and the way it integrates with existing Cloudflare workers and tools.
We are seeing a trend where the infrastructure is becoming more specialized to handle the massive compute demands of AI models.
Jeff Dean's startup will probably benefit from these kinds of lean operating systems to run his new neural network designs efficiently.
It all feels interconnected as we move toward a more decentralized and efficient era of global computing and artificial intelligence.
I am curious to see if other cloud providers like AWS or Azure will respond with their own custom-built operating systems.
They already have their own versions of Linux, but nothing as specialized as what Cloudflare is proposing for the edge.
The landscape of technology is shifting so fast that even the giants have to reinvent themselves to stay relevant today.
Demis Hassabis leaving is the biggest headline, but the underlying shifts in infrastructure and new startups are just as important.
We are witnessing the birth of the next generation of tech giants right before our eyes with these bold new moves.
It is a great time to be following this industry because the pace of innovation is truly unprecedented in history.
Every day brings a new revelation that changes how we think about the future of work and the digital world.
Today we discuss Demis Hassabis leaving DeepMind, signaling a new era for Google. We looked at Jeff Dean's new startup venture and how Cloudflare OS is redefining edge computing. These shifts represent a massive transition in leadership and infrastructure across the entire global technology landscape.
Well, that's all the time we have today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the SuperAIQ Show podcast and video today. Thank you for joining. We hope you feel well informed and ready to have a great day. See you next time on the SuperAIQ Show podcast and video. Well, that's going to do it for today's SuperAIQ Show. Appreciate you listening or watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.